In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a certificate on LinkedIn Mobile. Adding a certificate to your LinkedIn profile is a great way to showcase your achievements and build credibility. I'll walk you through it step by step on the LinkedIn Mobile app, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to make everything look clean and professional. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the home screen, look to the top left and tap your profile picture. This opens a small panel. Tap your profile picture again to go straight to your profile page. You'll land on your profile where you can edit and add details. Next, tap the Add section button. At the top, you'll see categories. Under the Recommended section, choose Licenses and Certifications. This opens the form where you'll enter your certificate details. Begin with the name of the certification exactly as it appears on your credential. For issuing organization, search for and select the official organization so its logo appears correctly. If your certificate doesn't expire, look for the option that indicates it has no expiration. If it does expire, enter the expiration date. You can also add a credential ID if your certificate includes one, and a credential URL if there's a verification link provided by the issuer. Adding the URL helps others validate your credential quickly and boosts trust. You'll also see options to add skills that relate to the certification. Choose skills that match what you learned or what the certificate represents. This helps your profile show up in relevant searches. If you have a file or image of the certificate, you can attach media here as well. A clear PDF or PNG of the credential or a screenshot from the issuer's portal works well. Once everything looks accurate, tap Save. Your certificate is now added to the Licenses and Certifications section on your profile. Right after saving, LinkedIn may prompt you to share it as a post. You can choose to post it to your feed to let your network know about your achievement, or you can skip if you prefer to keep it on your profile without announcing it. Either choice is fine. You can always share it later. That's it. Quick, simple, and professional. Before you move on, give your profile a quick refresh to confirm the certificate displays correctly, and double-check spelling and dates so everything is consistent. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and congrats on leveling up your profile.